We're out here and about to go on a trail, which you can find behind us. And I brought this jar because I'm about to make a nature jar, which means that as you walk on the trail, things that you see in nature that call upon you. So if there's flowers that have fallen, because we're not breaking any, we don't take life, we admire life, we honor life. So if there's any flowers that have fallen, you can place them in the jar. If there's any rocks that are oddly shaped or oddly colored or just draw your eye, you put them in. We're gonna come across a little stream, so we'll gather some water, maybe some moss, see what flows inside, and then you seal it off. And that becomes your nature jars, the things that you remember through a time that you've experienced. And we just locked in on the bridge on the way to the trail. So the first thing I'm putting in are my keys because I'm locked in to life, to my journey. So first thing that goes in, and now I go on the trail, and all the things that I find that I feel that call to me on this walk will be a part of this. What's my push? Let me wear my shoes. Some bushy tushy. Some bushy tushy. I'll put some water in there. Ooh, see? See, like it's got little shells. Little tiny shells. See, little tiny shells. Oh, it's stuck together too already. It's a whole shell. It's not even broken apart yet. I'm gonna fill it with more water when I go down further in the stream and put more stuff inside it. But so far, I got some shells.
What about
It's the only flower
Joanna?
that could give you the sun, the moon, and the stars in its full transition. It's full in bloom. The petals are extended like the sun. Then as it transitions to die off, you get it as the moon. And this here, before you blow it, is like the stars out in the atmosphere. So if I was to blow this, it would literally just sporadic, just like the stars in your night sky. The only flower to give you sun, moon, and stars in all of its phases. And I found it at the very end of my journey today. Sun, moon, stars.